Have you ever let your anger get the best of you? Deborah Barone of the TV series Everybody Loves Raymond is forever frustrated with her husband Ray. And it's no wonder. He's forever doing dumb stuff, like recording a football game over their wedding video. In general, Deborah's not very supportive of her husband. She not only criticizes him like his mother does, she also puts him down constantly. In the field of marital research, this is the most toxic of the communication errors. In fact, contempt is one of the most accurate predictors of divorce. Contempt is simply communicating through words and/or actions that you think your mate is worthless. Being treated with disgust and contempt is a painful experience. Sarcasm, even disguised as humor, is never a good idea. Nor is calling your spouse names, smirking at your mate in front of others or alone, rolling your eyes. So, how often do you talk bad about your mate to your friends? Roll your eyes when he or she is talking. Turn up your nose at one of your mate's ideas. Call your mate an idiot within earshot, or even after he or she has left the room. Told your mate that he or she needs to grow up or calm down. Here are two simple solutions to avoid contempt. Number one, adopt a new mindset. Every time you think of your mate, recall at least one thing you admire about him or her. Number two, develop an attitude of gratitude for all your mate's efforts to provide and care for you and your family if you have one. You don't have to say it out loud, just remind yourself daily or moment by moment that your mate is of infinite worth as a human being. Find the good in him or her and dwell on that, rather than ruminate on all his or her shortcomings.